When you decide to use the inspection module of RigER, you will have three documents in the Oilfield Rentals menu under the inspection section. I'm going to start with the inspection card template. So the system allows you to create any templates that you'd like to have in the system for the rental units, and you can create as many as you need. For example, I have two inspection card templates. The first one is post-equipment release. So we can assign this particular template for different departments of your company, which will be working with this particular template. We can also specify the type of the delivery ticket after which we will have the inspection card. It can be delivery, return, service, maintenance, or disposal ticket. We can also have two different stages of the inspection, like initial inspection and quality control stage. You can put any rental units to this template. It means that the inspection card will be generated for every single unit in the delivery ticket return once it's in this table. Then we select the parameters of the inspection card. So what have to be checked by the inspection specialist upon the return of the equipment. We can also have the different data type of the row. It can be just a simple text for the comments. It can be yes or no question. It can be number, fuel level, or just a separator of the different questions. Once you set up the parameters for the inspection card, we save it in close, and you see that my second inspection card template is a quality control for the same units, but the stage is quality control, and there may be different parameters. So the second document is the inspection card itself. So when we will generate a delivery ticket return and we will set the inspection status of the document, the inspection card will be generated. And the third document is the inspection register. The inspection register is actually the document that summarizes all your inspection cards for one delivery ticket. You can see the inspector here, inspection status of the unit, and inspection result. So now, how to generate an inspection card from the delivery ticket return. Once the delivery ticket return is filled out, and we have the condition of the unit as good, for example, we change the status of the document to the inspection, and the system generates two documents, inspection card register and inspection card itself. We can go to the related documents and find those documents in here. So we open up the inspection card and we see that our unit number has to be inspected. So we just walk through the check marks and list of our questions. After the inspection is done, we change the inspection result to good. We can also have need repair and damage. If we have the need repair inspection result, the repair ticket will be generated for this unit as well. In case of damage, this unit will be written off through the balance. Once the inspection result is good, we change the status of the document to done, and the inspection card quality control is generated automatically as well. So we can find the inspection card for quality control in the related documents, and we perform the same actions as for the initial inspection. And once the inspection result is good and the status will be done, the unit status becomes available, and it means that this unit is available for the next dispatching.